Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best mosquito net bed canopy on the market. The VISATOR Mosquito Net Bed Canopy. Whether you're looking to protect yourself or your loved ones from pesky insects, especially mosquitoes, or simply want to add an elegant, dreamy touch to your bedroom, this canopy offers a perfect blend of function and style. The VISATOR mosquito net is crafted from 100% polyester, making it incredibly soft, lightweight, and breathable. What sets this net apart is its fine mesh design, boasting 300 holes per square inch. This means it keeps out even the tiniest mosquitoes, giving you a peaceful and uninterrupted night's sleep. The canopy is spacious enough to fit beds of all sizes, from baby cribs to king-size beds, with dimensions measuring 8.2 feet in height and a circumference of 41 feet at the bottom. This generous size ensures ample coverage and comfort. One of the standout features is the dome shape, which brings a simple yet luxurious appearance to any room. It's not just about protection, it's also about enhancing your bedroom decor with a soft, romantic vibe. You can even personalize it further by adding LED lights around the canopy for a warm, magical atmosphere. Installation is a breeze with the VISATOR canopy. The design is collapsible, allowing it to open and fold within seconds. The package comes complete with a stainless steel circular ring for durability, a hanging hook, and a 40-inch tether, so you don't have to worry about sourcing extra parts. All you need to do is drill a small hole in your ceiling, secure the hook with the included anchors, and hang the canopy to your desired height. It's simple and quick, no special skills required. Thanks to its foldable design, this canopy is easy to store and transport, making it perfect for indoor use as well as outdoor activities like camping or traveling to tropical areas where mosquitoes are a concern. The lightweight fabric and compact storage bag add to its portability. When it comes to maintenance, the VISATOR mosquito net is machine washable, with recommended water temperature not exceeding 40 degrees Celsius, and can be dried easily. Just avoid bleach to keep it in the best condition. To summarize, the VISATOR mosquito net bed canopy combines high-quality materials, a functional design that fits all bed sizes, easy installation, and portability, all wrapped up in an elegant dome style. It's ideal for anyone wanting both protection and a beautiful bedroom accessory. If you want to sleep peacefully without worrying about mosquitoes or add a charming touch to your bedroom or outdoor space, this canopy is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in adding this to your space, check out the link below to learn more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.